Hello friends, this is HiTech Talk and today I am going to tell you about a feature called as PIP feature in WhatsApp. So how do we get this feature on our WhatsApp? I have got an update on my WhatsApp today. So let me quickly go to Play Store, type in WhatsApp and you can easily read it on your update page that what's new, that when you receive a link to a video from places like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you can now play it right within WhatsApp. Just for example, I will explain. Earlier when we used to share any YouTube video through WhatsApp, when we click over it, it takes us to the YouTube application and it plays in there. So now that won't happen. So let us see what is this PIP mode, which is called as picture in picture. I will quickly go ahead and update my WhatsApp. It might take some time. It's only 11 MB. Hopefully we are done with the update of WhatsApp. Now I will click on open. So this is my WhatsApp and I will quickly go to this group where one of my friend has already shared me a YouTube video. So let me just quickly tell you that don't click on the link which is there on this video which has been shared to me. Click on the picture which is over here. Click on the picture which is there and not the link of YouTube. So because if you click on the link it will redirect to the YouTube, but if I directly click on the picture, you see this is playing in a PIP mode, which is picture in picture. Like I can still use my chat and all, and I can view this video as well. I can also view this in full screen mode like this. Right now I have mute this video as I'm speaking. So this is how you can watch a video which has been shared on WhatsApp. It can be done through YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So if you have any doubt on this video, please comment on the comment section. So guys, thank you for watching this, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video, and thank you. Thank you for watching HiTech Talk.